Guys, we gotta talk about the WhatsApp voice note situation. Okay, some of you are actually sending voice notes longer than the national anthem. Now, you know what? You guys don't send voice notes. You guys send podcasts. I open my phone, check a voice note there of 4 minutes and 37 seconds, and suddenly my whole afternoon's been kidnapped. And the worst part is all of them start with quick one, my bro. Quick one. My guy, you've got 3 chapters, a weather report, and a side story about your cousin in Benoni. And then usually halfway through, they say, anyway, what I wanted to say was, halfway through, my bro. Huh? What was the first half for? A warm-up lap. And I guarantee you the listener is pacing up and down, nodding, yeah, at 1.5 speed, like the guy is frustrated in traffic. You can't delete a voice note like that, because what if the important part is at 4 minutes and 15 seconds? Guys, it feels like we're not sending voice notes anymore, man. This feels like hostage negotiations, okay? Guys, come on, please, keep it sweet and short, okay? I know it's Africa, I know we got time, but yes, bro, you're hogging all of it.